So in this little video we've got the classic balls in a bag. As you can see, we've got 4 red and we have 1 green ball in a bag. Alright, and now the questions that you tend to be asked are, we're going to take a ball out, inspect it, see what it is, and then we're going to put it back in. Okay, now this terminology is called with replacement. So what's happening is I'm going to take a ball out to start with, and then I'm going to look at it, and then I'm going to put it back in and then shuffle it round. Excuse me, I'm going to shuffle it round and then do the same again. Now obviously I could do this over and over and over again, but for purposes of just doing the mathematics, we'll do this twice. So we'll have a look once, put it back, take it out again. Okay, now this is a classic use of a tree diagram. So if you think about it, on our first pick, when we actually put our hand in the bag, what are the only possible outcomes? Correct, right? You're either going to have a red, pick a red, or you're going to pick a green. Now nothing else could happen, that's it. Now, what's the chance of picking a red ball? Correct, 4 out of 5. And what's the chance of picking the green ball? Okay, 1 out of 5. So that's it. So you've picked it out, you've looked at it. Now it could either be red or it could be green. Now let's put it back in, shuffle it round, and do our second pick. Now when we pick it the second time, what options have we got? Well, it's either going to be red or it's going to be green. Okay, that's the only options. So this leaves us with first pick of red, second pick red, or first pick red, second pick green. Similarly, I could have picked a green one out. So if I'd have picked a green one out the first time, I can still pick a red one out the second time. Okay, and if I pick a green out the first time and I replace it, there's still that chance of there being a green as well. So you'll notice that there's 4 different possibilities. Alright, 4 different outcomes. So we've got red, red, red followed by green, green followed by red, which is a different outcome, and green followed by green. So those are the 4 possible pairings. Okay. Now, what's the chance of picking a ball, a red one, on the second pick? Yep, there's still 5 balls in there. 4 of them are red, so it's 4 out of 5. And similarly for the green, there's 1. And I'm just going to fill it in down the tree. Okay. So now, once we've got that, that is what we're going to use now to answer various questions. And they will be things like, what is the probability that we get 2 reds? Alright, so we get 2 reds. Now that clearly is the probability of a red and another red. Okay, now when we do this one, what we're saying is we're actually going to go follow the branches of the tree. Alright, so our first pick has to be red and our second pick has to be red. Okay, so the first pick is 4 out of 5. We've already discussed the word and being multiply, and the second pick is also 4 out of 5. So the chances of me getting 2 reds is 4 times 4, 16, 5 times 5, 25. Okay, 2 reds. The other one might be something like a red followed by a green, or a green followed by a red. But one of the classic ones is different coloured balls. What's the chance of me getting different colours when I do this? Okay. Now, different colours one could be, hold on a minute, let's just tidy that up, go away. Okay, that's it. Now, think about this scenario. Different colours, what does that mean? Okay, it means that we could do a red followed by a green. That would give us different colours. Or, notice the word or, I've got another option, which is I could get a green first and a red second. Alright, so that's what the branches look like now. So here then, what we're looking for is probability of different colours, is the pre-diff colour is actually equal to the probability of red and then green in that order, and the order matters, or the probability of green and follow it by red. So notice there's two branches there, there's two parts to it. Now once you've got that idea in your head, it's simply red followed by green. So it's 4/5 multiplied, because that word and, alright, 1/5. Or, and we discussed that before about or being add, or we're looking at 1/5 for green and 4/5 for red. So this gives us 4 times 1 is 4 over 25, added to 4 times 1 is 4 over 25. That gives us 4/25 plus 4/25. Hang on, sorry, gone a bit haywire there. Okay, I've lost it completely. There it is. Okay, sorry, I have no idea what happened. Which gives us 8 chances in 25. Okay, alright. So what we're saying there is the red followed by green is this one, the yellow one, and the green followed by red is a completely different journey, a completely different branch. Okay, that's it, done.